When you received something but you have no legal right to receive it, can the owner still recover the thing? In today's video, we will be learning the answer to the earlier mentioned question. If you like to know, watch this short video discussion and subscribe for more useful information.
Comment your legal questions and we will answer.
So, when you received something but you have no legal right to receive it, can the owner still recover the same?
Yes, the rightful owner can still recover the same under the Civil Code of the Philippines. This takes place when something is received when there is no right to demand it, and it was unduly delivered through mistake.
The recipient has the duty to return it. Example: if I let a storekeeper change my P50.00 bill and by error he gives me P50.60, I have the duty to return the extra P0.60. See Article 2154, Civil Code.
What are the requisites of Solutio Indebiti?
In the case of City of Cebu vs. Pichio and Caballero L13012 and 14876, December 31, 1960. The requisites for this are: a. He who paid was not under obligation to do so. b. The payment was made by reason of an essential mistake of fact. These requisites are not present because Caballero has a right to be paid and no mistake was made. The fact that the city itself was not a party is immaterial for a judgment against a municipal officer, sued in his official capacity, binds the city. The acts of the duly authorized officials bind the principal, the city.
Bar exam question.
DPO went to a store to buy a pack of cigarettes worth P225.00 only. He gave the vendor, RRA, a P500 peso bill. The vendor gave him the pack plus P375.00 change. Was there a discount, an oversight, or an error in the amount given? What would be DPO's duty, if any, in case of an excess in the amount of change given by the vendor? How is this situational relationship between DPO and RRA denominated? Explain. 2004 Bar.
Answer: there was error in the amount of change given by RRA. This is a case of Solutio Indebiti in that DPO received something that is not due him. He has the obligation to return the P100.00. Otherwise, he will unjustly enrich himself at the expense of RRA. Art. 2154. DPO has the duty to return to RRA the excess P100 as trustee under Article 1456 of the Civil Code, which provides:
if property is acquired through mistake or fraud, the person obtaining it is, by force of law, considered a trustee of an implied trust for the benefit of the person from whom the property comes. There is, in this case, an implied or constructive trust in favor of RRA.
I hope you learned something new today.
Comment your questions and we will answer them. Source: Civil Code of the Philippines by Paris.
For more useful information about the Philippine law and jurisprudence, subscribe to this channel.
When you received something but you have no legal right to receive it, can the owner still recover the thing? In today's video,